Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are so glad to have you visit us. This is part 2 of our series on the check engine light. We're taking a closer look at what this illuminated warning actually means. If you've ever been puzzled by its presence or unsure about what to do when it lights up, you're not alone. In this video, we'll provide insights into the potential issues that trigger the check engine light and how to diagnose them. So, if you're ready to decode this critical dashboard indicator and take control of your vehicle's maintenance, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more valuable automotive knowledge. Common reasons for the check engine light to illuminate. When it comes to the dreaded check engine light, there are several common reasons why it may illuminate on your dashboard. Ignoring this warning can be risky, as it could indicate a potential issue with your vehicle's performance or emissions. Let's explore some of the most frequent causes for the check engine light to come on. Loose gas cap. One of the simplest and most common reasons for the check engine light to illuminate is a loose or faulty gas cap. This may seem minor, but it can actually have a significant impact on your vehicle's emission system. A loose gas cap can cause the fuel vapor to escape, triggering the check engine light. Therefore, it's important to always ensure your gas cap is tightened properly after refueling. Oxygen sensor malfunction. Another common culprit behind the check engine light is a malfunctioning oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases. When it fails, it can negatively affect the fuel-to-air ratio, leading to decreased fuel efficiency and potentially harmful emissions. If your check engine light is accompanied by symptoms like poor fuel economy or rough idling, an oxygen sensor malfunction could be the cause. Catalytic converter issues. A malfunctioning catalytic converter is another potential reason why your check engine light may illuminate. The catalytic converter is responsible for reducing harmful emissions by converting toxic gases into less harmful substances. When it fails, it can lead to decreased engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and an increase in emissions. If you notice a decrease in power or an unusual smell coming from your exhaust system, it's crucial to have your catalytic converter inspected. Mass airflow sensor problem. The mass airflow sensor, MAF, measures the amount of air entering the engine and helps regulate the fuel-air mixture for optimal combustion. When the MAF sensor becomes dirty or malfunctions, it can cause the check engine light to come on. This can result in issues such as reduced engine power, poor acceleration, or even stalling. If you experience any of these symptoms along with an illuminated check engine light, it may be time to have your MAF sensor checked and cleaned or replaced if necessary. Being aware of these common reasons for the check engine light to illuminate can help you understand the potential issues with your vehicle. However, it's important to remember that the check engine light is a general warning and does not provide specific details about the exact problem. It is advisable to consult a qualified mechanic or use a diagnostic tool to identify the specific issue triggering the check engine light. What should you do when the check engine light comes on? When the check engine light comes on in your car, it can be quite unnerving. However, it's important to stay calm and take the necessary steps to address the issue. In this segment, we will discuss what you should do when the check engine light illuminates. Follow these steps to effectively handle the situation. Don't panic. First and foremost, don't panic when you see the check engine light. While it may indicate a problem with your vehicle, it doesn't necessarily mean that your car is on the verge of breaking down. Take a deep breath and remember that modern cars have advanced diagnostic systems that can detect various issues, big or small, and that sometimes these systems warn you ahead of time before the bad things happen to your vehicle. Check for obvious issues. Before seeking professional help, it's always a good idea to check for any obvious issues that may have triggered the check engine light. Start by inspecting the gas cap to ensure it is tightly closed. A loose gas cap can cause an evaporation leak and result in the check engine light coming on. Additionally, look for any visible signs of damage or disconnected wires under the hood. Use a diagnostic tool. If there are no apparent issues, you can use a diagnostic tool to retrieve the trouble codes associated with the check engine light. These codes provide valuable information about the specific problem your vehicle is experiencing. Many auto parts stores offer free code reading services, or you can invest in an affordable OBD2 scanner yourself. Once you have the trouble codes, you can research them online or consult with a professional to determine the best course of action. Seek professional help. While some minor issues can be resolved on your own, it's advisable to seek professional help when dealing with the check engine light. An experienced mechanic will have the knowledge and expertise to diagnose and repair the problem accurately. They can perform more in-depth troubleshooting using specialized tools and equipment, ensuring that the root cause is identified and addressed effectively. Remember, ignoring the check engine light can lead to more significant problems down the road. It's always better to address the issue promptly and prevent further damage to your vehicle. Can you drive with the check engine light on? When the dreaded check engine light illuminates on your dashboard, it's natural to wonder if it's safe to continue driving your vehicle. The answer, as with most automotive concerns, is not black and white. Whether or not you can drive with the check engine light on depends on the severity of the issue and the potential risks involved. Let's explore this further. Depends on the severity. The severity of the issue indicated by the check engine light is a crucial factor to consider. In some cases, the light may be triggered by a minor issue, such as a loose gas cap or a glitch in the system. These situations may not pose an immediate threat to your vehicle's drivability, and you might be able to continue driving without causing further harm. However, it's still important to address the issue promptly to prevent it from escalating into something more serious. On the other hand, if the check engine light is accompanied by symptoms like unusual noises, loss of power, or rough idling, it could indicate a more severe problem. In these instances, it is generally recommended to avoid driving your vehicle and seek professional assistance. Continuing to drive with a major issue can potentially worsen the problem, leading to expensive repairs and putting your safety at risk. Risk of ignoring the issue. While some check engine light scenarios may seem harmless, it's crucial not to ignore the underlying issue. Even if your vehicle appears to be running fine, there is always a risk that an unresolved problem can gradually worsen over time and cause more significant damage. Additionally, neglecting to address certain issues can result in reduced fuel efficiency, which can be costly in the long run. Ignoring a check engine light can also lead to emission-related problems. If your vehicle's emission system is malfunctioning, you may end up contributing to air pollution and potentially violating environmental regulations. It's important to remember that regular maintenance and prompt repairs can help maintain the overall health of your vehicle and ensure compliance with emission standards. How to prevent the check engine light from coming on? Regular vehicle maintenance is crucial in preventing the check engine light from coming on. By following a proactive maintenance routine, you can reduce the likelihood of encountering engine issues that trigger the check engine light. Here are some essential maintenance tasks to prioritize. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential for maintaining the health of your engine. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals and use the recommended type and viscosity of oil for your vehicle. Air filter replacement. A clogged or dirty air filter can negatively impact engine performance and fuel efficiency. Replace your air filter according to your vehicle's maintenance schedule or sooner if you often drive in dusty or polluted environments. Spark plug inspection and replacement. Faulty spark plugs can affect engine ignition and lead to decreased fuel efficiency. Regularly inspect your spark plugs and replace them as recommended by the manufacturer. Fuel system cleaning. Over time, deposits can build up in the fuel system, affecting engine performance. Consider periodic fuel system cleanings to maintain optimal fuel delivery and combustion. Addressing issues promptly. In addition to regular maintenance, addressing issues promptly is key to preventing the check engine light from coming on. Ignoring warning signs or delaying necessary repairs can lead to more significant problems down the road. Here's what you should keep in mind. Pay attention to warning signs. If you notice any unusual sounds, odors, or performance issues while driving, it's critical to take them seriously. These warning signs may indicate an underlying problem that can trigger the check engine light. Use diagnostic tools. Invest in an OBD2 scanner, which allows you to read trouble codes stored in your vehicle's computer system. When the check engine light comes on, use the scanner to retrieve the specific code. This information can help you identify the issue and decide whether it requires immediate attention. Schedule prompt repairs. Once you've identified the problem, don't delay scheduling repairs. Ignoring small issues can escalate into more costly and severe damage to your vehicle. Promptly address any necessary repairs to prevent further complications and potential check engine light triggers. Remember, preventive measures like regular maintenance and immediate attention to warning signs are key to avoiding the frustration and inconvenience of a check engine light coming on. By staying proactive and maintaining your vehicle's health, you can minimize the chances of encountering unexpected engine issues. In conclusion, the check engine light is an important warning indicator in your car. It typically appears as a small orange or amber light on your dashboard. When this light illuminates, it means there is a problem with your vehicle's engine or emission system. While the check engine light itself doesn't provide specifics about the issue, it serves as a signal to have your car inspected by a professional mechanic. Ignoring the check engine light can lead to more severe and costly problems down the road. Therefore, it's crucial to take immediate action and address any underlying issues indicated by the check engine light. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs can help keep your car running smoothly and ensure your safety on the road. And there you have it, the conclusion of our two-part series on what is the look of the check engine light, and what does it mean? We hope you now have a better understanding of the check engine light's significance and how to approach it when it illuminates. If you found this series informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may have questions about their vehicle's check engine light. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and remember, at Easy Driver, we're here to keep your automotive journey well-informed and trouble-free. Thank you for watching.